Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Bitstamp account settings for secure trading. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Bitstamp website. Log into your account by entering your email address and password. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the account settings icon to access your profile. Review your personal information displayed on the page. If any details need to be updated, such as your phone number or address, click on the respective fields. Enter the correct information and ensure it is accurate. Next, look for the Security Settings section within your account settings. In this section, you may want to enable two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. To enable two-factor authentication, choose either an authenticator app or SMS verification. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred method of two-factor authentication. Once you've set this up, save your changes. Now, scroll down to the Withdrawal Whitelist option. Consider adding a withdrawal whitelist for increased security. To do this, enter the wallet addresses where you intend to withdraw funds. Confirm and save the changes to ensure they take effect. Next, review your current security questions and answers. You may want to update these for added protection. After making any necessary changes, be sure to save your updates. Finally, log out of your account after completing your updates to ensure your information remains secure. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Bitstamp account settings for secure trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.